Estimate the definite integral from 1 to 2 of e to the negative x squared dx using Simpson rules with n equals 6. First, observe that we can only use the Simpson rules with an even number of intervals. In this case, n equals 6. We're looking for s sub 6. The width of each of the interval is always delta x, which is b minus a over n. b is the upper limit of integration 2, a is the lower limit of integration 1, and n is the number of intervals specified. The width of each of the subinterval is therefore 1 over 6. We divide the interval 1, 2 into 6 subintervals. We then find the endpoint of each of the subintervals. 1 is 6 over 6, so the next endpoint is 7 over 6, 8 over 6, 9 over 6, 10 over 6, 11 over 6, and the last one is 12 over 6. Obviously, 6 over 6 is 1, 8 over 6 is 4 over 3, 9 over 6 is 3 over 2, 10 over 6 is 5 over 3, and 12 over 6 is 2. There are 7 endpoints in 6 subintervals, so s sub 6 will have 7 terms. With the Simpson rules, the pattern for s sub 6 is 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. Start with 1 at the first and the end terms, and then 4 going in. 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1. There are 7 terms. This is s sub 6 equals delta x over 3. Delta x is 1 over 6 times first f of 1 plus 4 f of the next endpoint 7 over 6 plus 2 f of 4 over 3 plus 4 f of 3 over 2 plus 2 f of 5 over 3 plus 4 f of 11 over 6, and then one last term, f of 2. This will be 1 over 6 divided by 3 times the function f of x is e to the negative x squared, so this will be e to the negative 1 squared plus 4e to the negative 7 over 6 squared. We do not put the negative inside the parentheses because x is only 7 over 6 plus 2e to the negative 4 over 3 squared plus 4e to the negative 3 over 2 squared plus 2e to the negative 5 over 3 squared plus 4e to the negative 11 over 6 squared plus 1e to the negative 2 squared. Do not attempt to compute this by hand. Use a graphing calculator such as Decimals.com. With Decimals.com, we first need to specify the function f of x. It is e to the negative x squared in this case. If we specify the function, then we simply replace delta x with 1 over 6 and type the entire expression for the sum s sub 6 into the entry in Decimals.com. We see that this estimate will give us 0.1352. This is the Simpson rule estimate for the definite integral using 6 subintervals.